Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we break down the best gear for real people, not tour pros. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best golf clubs for beginners in 2025, designed to help you hit straighter, farther, and with way more confidence. Golf club technology has evolved fast in 2025. We're seeing lighter shafts, larger sweet spots, perimeter weighting, and game improvement designs that make learning golf easier than ever. And thanks to rising demand from new players, brands are now offering high-performance golf clubs at beginner-friendly prices. This video is perfect for first-time golfers, casual players, teens, adults returning to golf, or anyone who wants forgiving, top-rated golf clubs without breaking the bank. Number 5. Wilson Profile SGI Complete Golf Club Set, 2025. Product rank and name. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Wilson Profile SGI, one of the most trusted and affordable beginner golf club sets in 2025. Performance. On the course, the Wilson Profile SGI delivers consistent ball flight and impressive forgiveness. The oversized club heads reduce mishits, while the lightweight shafts help beginners generate swing speed with less effort. Shots feel stable, predictable, and confidence-boosting. Technology and features. This set uses Super Game Improvement SGI technology, featuring perimeter weighting and low center of gravity for higher launch angles. The deep cavity irons make off-center hits more playable, while the high MOI driver helps reduce slices, a huge win for beginners. Design and build. The clubs feature a clean, traditional design with durable stainless steel irons and a modern matte finish on wood. Nothing flashy, but everything feels solid, balanced, and beginner-friendly straight out of the box. Weight and portability. Lightweight graphite shafts and a manageable overall set weight make this ideal for beginners who don't want fatigue during long practice sessions or full 18-hole rounds. Durability, warranty. Wilson's long-standing reputation backs this set with strong quality control and reliable durability, making it a safe long-term starter investment. Pros. Extremely forgiving for new golfers, lightweight and easy to swing, complete set with bag included. Cons. Not ideal for advanced or aggressive swing speeds. Stock grips may need upgrading later. Best for ideal use. Perfect for absolute beginners, casual golfers, or anyone starting lessons and wanting a no-stress introduction to the game. Price and value. Typically priced in the budget-friendly range, the Wilson Profile SGI remains one of the most affordable golf clubs for beginners in 2025, offering excellent value for money. Final verdict. A safe, proven, and forgiving starter set that makes learning golf less frustrating and far more enjoyable. Number 4. Callaway Strata Complete Golf Set, 2025. Product rank and name. At number 4, we have the Callaway Strata, a beginner favorite upgraded with smarter design refinements for 2025. Performance. The Strata shines in distance and forgiveness, especially with its driver and fairway woods. Shots launch high, stay straighter, and feel smooth at impact, ideal for beginners still developing consistent swings. Technology and features. Callaway incorporates aerodynamic driver shaping, perimeter-weighted irons, and progressive sole designs. The hybrid replaces difficult long irons, making it easier to hit from rough or fairway lies, a huge confidence booster. Design and build. Sleek, modern styling with Callaway's signature branding. The clubs feel premium, with well-balanced heads and durable materials that clearly stand above entry-level generic sets. Weight and portability. Balanced weight makes these clubs comfortable to carry or use with a cart, even during longer practice sessions or full 18-hole rounds. Pros. Excellent driver performance. Hybrid is extremely beginner-friendly. Smooth feel on impact. Cons. Slightly pricier than basic starter sets. Fewer shaft options. Best for ideal use. Best for beginners who want brand name reliability and plan to stick with golf long term. Price and value. Mid-range pricing, but worth it for players wanting top-rated golf clubs with strong resale value. Final verdict: a refined, forgiving set that blends performance and reputation beautifully. Number 3. Cobra Fly XL Complete Set 2025. Product, rank, and name. Coming in at number 3 is the Cobra Fly XL, one of the most forgiving and high-launching golf club sets of 2025. Performance. This set excels at easy launch and straight ball flight. The driver is incredibly forgiving, and the irons feel stable even on mishits, making it perfect for developing consistent contact. Technology and features. Cobra integrates low CG designs, lightweight graphite shafts, and oversized club faces. The Fly XL driver features speed-optimized aerodynamics, helping beginners gain distance without overswinging. Design and build. Sporty, modern aesthetics with premium finishes. Everything feels well-engineered, durable, and more expensive than its price suggests. Weight and portability. Extremely lightweight overall, ideal for juniors, seniors, or anyone with slower swing speeds. Pros: high launch, easy distance, lightweight and forgiving, premium feel for the price. Cons: limited adjustability, not ideal for fast swing speeds. Best for ideal use, perfect for beginners who want high-performance golf clubs with minimal learning curve. Price and value. Exceptional value, easily the best price-to-performance ratio in golf clubs 2025. Final verdict: a confidence-boosting set that makes golf feel easier from day one. Number 2. Tour Edge Bazooka 470 Complete Set. Product, rank, and name. At number 2, the Tour Edge Bazooka 470 delivers maximum forgiveness with tour-inspired design. Performance. These clubs are built for straight shots and consistency. Even poor swings stay playable, which is exactly what beginners need while learning mechanics. Technology and features. Features extreme perimeter weighting, oversized faces, and a deep cavity iron design that minimizes mishits and boosts launch angle. Design and build. Bold, confidence-inspiring club heads with durable construction. They look big, and that's a good thing for beginners. Weight and portability. Balanced weight makes them easy to swing while still feeling solid at impact. Pros: extremely forgiving, great for slice reduction, durable build quality. Cons: a bulky look may not suit everyone, limited customization. Best for ideal use, ideal for golfers who struggle with consistency and want maximum help from their equipment. Price and value. Strong mid-range pricing for one of the most forgiving best golf clubs for beginners available. Final verdict: if forgiveness is your top priority, this set delivers big time. Number 1. Callaway Edge Complete Set 2025. Product, rank, and name. Taking the top spot is the Callaway Edge, the best overall beginner golf club set of 2025. Performance. Outstanding balance of distance, forgiveness, and feel. These clubs grow with you, beginner-friendly now, still playable as your skills improve. Technology and features. Advanced perimeter weighting, premium shafts, optimized loft gapping, and a tour-inspired putter. This is high-performance golf club tech packaged for beginners. Design and build. Sleek, premium, and durable. This set looks and feels like a serious investment. Pros: incredible value, forgiving yet scalable, premium Callaway engineering. Cons: often sells out fast, slightly higher upfront cost. Best for ideal use, perfect for beginners who want one set to last for years. Price and value. Exceptional value, easily the best long-term investment in golf clubs 2025. Final verdict: the gold standard for beginners, period. Mini buyer's guide. Choosing the right golf clubs comes down to budget, forgiveness, and future goals. If you want the most affordable entry point, go with Wilson Profile SGI. If brand trust matters, Callaway Strata is a solid choice. For lightweight performance, Cobra Fly XL stands out.
Struggling with consistency? Tour Edge Bazooka offers maximum forgiveness. And if you want the best overall beginner golf clubs in 2025, the Callaway Edge is unmatched. Always prioritize forgiveness, proper shaft flex, and comfort. Those matter more than distance when starting out. Conclusion: CTA. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best golf clubs for beginners in 2025. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more gear guides, and drop a comment below. Which set would you choose? Check out our playlist on beginner golf tips next. And as always, swing smooth, play smart, and enjoy the game.